This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
That I have applied and participated in the NEET, qualified blood. Now I have to participate in the counseling process. I have applied for EWS certificate. But only yesterday I have got the certificate in D format, which is for central. If I apply under any central schools, and
yes,
then I have to apply under D.
Yes.
But D I have received yesterday.
Right.
C
so
I am
you are waiting for C.
Yes.
The state.
He applied on 8th of April 2025. It went to the ADM level only on 4th June 2025.
April to June, what were you doing?
By that time, what happened on 27th May, state government have published the new list of OBC categories.
It has got OBC.
Yes, my lord. He is claiming
EWS. EWS.
Yes.
OBC
EWS. He is claiming.
You want OBC also?
No,
economic section.
Provision is if
for general category, he has to apply on
D under the central OBC.
Yes.
I cannot apply it for EWS category.
You cannot.
I cannot.
If you want central, you cannot apply for the state.
If my name is appearing in the central list of OBC,
yes,
then I cannot apply for EWS certificate.
All right.
I have not applied for OBC certificate. I have applied for EWS certificate only.
In the state?
In the state as well as central. Central I have received yesterday.
You are waiting for the state?
Yes. If the format is different, if you look to the circular,
the difficulty is his subcast, Khandakar subcast is appearing in the state list as OBC category.
All this is subsequent.
It's absolutely online process. We cannot process it until and unless it is published as a general category candidate as subcast. We cannot process it because our list has been stayed by the this honorable court, and the issue is pending before the Supreme Court. Unless it is decided whether he is OBC or general, but we cannot process his application.
There cannot be any quarrel, I have already obtained certificate in D format.
If you can proceed with the D, then proceed with the D. Why are you waiting for the C?
C now. Now, the difficulty is what he is saying.
You will not get chance in the central college.
Yes, I can also apply for state also. What he is saying now, there was a list published by the backward class department recently, in the last month, which was again challenged in a writ petition. That notification has been stayed.
Whatever. There is some difficulty on the part of the...
Has nothing. Can you see what is the...
No, nothing to do. The court has to decide. The difficulty on the part of the state has been disclosed. If it is to be heard, then it is to be heard. And if you are okay with the D, then you can proceed with the D.
No, kindly see, I have annexed the notification.
Maybe then it has to be heard.
No, it's not required. Because the inquiry is the same authority. Inquiry has done. On the basis of same inquiry, he has to issue a certificate.
No. His submission, I have not gone through the instruction, but what his submission is that they cannot process.
It is own circular.
They cannot process the application.
It's not correct. Clause 9.
Not I have annexed in the clause 9.
Issuance of EW certificate for those OBCs who are included in the state list. You claim OBC status also?
No, I'm not claiming.
But then clause 9 is EWS for those OBC.
If a person belong to, not claiming, belong to OBC and B category in the state OBC list of West Bengal, but not in the central OBC list of the state, he can apply. So, question
he can apply. Kindly continue. Let him continue the entire paragraph.
Recruitment in civil post and services and admission in educational institution under government of India to avail EWS reservation subject to fulfillment of other conditions. Such persons are eligible to obtain EWS certificate in D format. Person already possesses EWS certificate in in Annex C format by the competent authority also have to apply for EWS certificate in D format while seeking reservation under the central government.
You've already got it in D format. Then why do you want it?
I want in C format. That's
For
my point.
C format, what is
There
to be
is
done?
no impediment in C format.
Show what is to be done for obtaining it
But
in
the
C.
same inquiry.
No,
But I have
in inquiry. You show me how it can be
Well,
got
I
in
have-
the C
That I
format.
have annexed in my writ petition at page 23.
23.
This is the circular issued by the authority. And let inquiry at page 26, clause 10.
See page 23, the first portion reads serial number 1.
Yes.
It,
In order to enable economically
it
weaker
only deals with EWS, not covered under the reservation.
Right.
Not covered.
Right. I am not covered.
Yes, he is covered. List published of or state government list published the list. He is under OBCB category.
That has been a state.
That have annexed.
And that is subsequent. He is saying because of this list, I cannot. The list was published.
He does not want the benefit of the caste reservation.
Not even
He wants only the
Our portal, the list is showing.
It is technical.
We cannot process his application unless the list is altered. If the list ultimately survives.
Suppose somebody does not want to take the benefit of reservation, you will force him to take it. What is it? The petitioner says he doesn't want the benefit of reservation. Cannot be so mechanical.
To take instruction to that effect, whether it is possible or not. Kindly grant me.
And have to make it possible. Petitioner doesn't want reservation.
In this case, he is not want to take any reservations.
Yes.
Subsequently, he may claim further in
that is subsequent thing.
And this is for one
On date, he says he doesn't want the reservation, but he wants only
Kindly
the
grant me 1 day time.
EWS certificate.
Kindly grant me 1 day time.
Please come.
I appear
on behalf of NTA. I know you 35.
Yes.
Point 2. Here, ask general. Then applicant is to appear for hearing at the concerned BDO, SDO, DW Calcutta office on 2nd or 4th Wednesday of any month within 60 days from 12 noon and 3 p.m. after online submission. He has not, there is no amendment in the petition that he has.
That I have received from the sector.
He was to appear.
No, possibly he has appeared because he has got it. Maybe, but he has got it, which implies that he has appeared. He has got the certificate.
I have got the certificate. Yes, sir.
He has already got the certificate. Without the approach, the certificate could not have been issued.
But if the online application was made,
You are for the testing agency, so you do not have, so do not raise this issue. Whoever is the authority, let the authority raise such issue. And after the petitioner has got it, you cannot say that he did not approach. So, the petitioner prays for issuance of the EWS certificate. Stop. In the application made before the state authority for obtaining such certificate, the petitioner has clearly disclosed that he belongs to the general caste. Stop. Specific submission of the petitioner is that he does not want the benefit of caste reservation. Stop. Paragraph. The EWS certificate in D format has already been issued in favor of the petitioner by the central authority. Stop. The certificate in C format from the state is certificate in C format from the state authority.
That certificate not issued by the central. That we issued by
pending.
Issued by the state, madam.
Not the central. The
central. by the state in D format. In D format, central na D format has been issued. The petition, the C format is awaiting. What is the difference between this D and C?
D is for the central admission and C is
for central admission.
Same inquiry, same report. That's why I was submitting.
What is this?
Our portal is not permitting.
Then how can the D be given?
That is on the D format. But for the central only. For the state, since we have published the list, Khandekar as a OBC B category, if he claims for the state, that
you will force him to obtain the reservation.
Our system is.
You have got a faulty system. Please change it. Please change the faulty system. You cannot force somebody to accept the reservation if the person concerned doesn't want it. Do you get it?
My lord, kindly clarify one day time, whether it is possible.
Yes.
How it is possible.
Well, that's what I have made prayer A.
What is prayer A?
Well, there are large number of candidates who are waiting.
Large number of?
Candidates who are waiting for this date.
Learned advocate representing the state respondents submits that as the surname of the petitioner is incorporated in the list of OBC candidates, as such, his application cannot be processed for issuance of the EWS certificate in the C format.
Yes, my lord.
Paragraph. The court is of the opinion that the authority cannot forcefully direct a candidate to accept the benefit of reservation. Benefit of caste reservation. Stop. The petitioner has himself disclosed that he belongs to the general caste and he do not intend to obtain the benefit of reservation. Stop. He only intends to have the economically weaker section certificate. Stop. To allow the learned advocate for the state respondents to take instruction in the matter. Release the same on 1st of July.
Well, there is an application, lad.
Yes.
There are other candidates. There are other candidates who also had applied for certificate. They have intervened. Let them take instruction. These are poor people.
Did you serve copy?
Oh, in email they have served, but now I'm.
Give a hard copy since he is appearing. When did you file it?
Yesterday. Possibly it is in the list.
Is it in the list?
Oh, not in the list, madam.
It is in the list. Can 1 is there in the list. Can 1. I'll guess can 1. An application for being added as party respondent, not respondent, as party petitioners in the instant writ petition has been filed by similarly circumstanced candidates as that of the petitioner. File asheni? Kanta aniyenin. Stop. And none of the applicants seek with the benefit of reservation.
No, because as of now they are not in that category.
You are sure?
Yes.
Stop. None of the applicants seek the benefit of caste reservation, but all intends to obtain the EWS certificate. Stop. In that case, I'll adjourn it for some more days so that he can take instruction, because he took instruction only with regard to 1. Thursday? Next Thursday? Yes, can will be served.
Please.
To NT also. You got it? Released on 3rd of July. And has the D certificate been issued to the applicants also? No.
That I have to ascertain, madam.
Take instruction.